Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Channel, if you guys have a Chrysler 200 or Fiat 500 guys with a 2.4 MultiAir engine, even if you have different engine, the video will be helpful guys. We'll explain guys how to test PCV valve. PCV valve is super important guys, stay with us, we'll explain what it does and all that stuff. As you can see, we remove the engine. You do not need to remove your engine guys, but we'll have more than 100 videos on that engine guys, and every car we get at the shop we'll be making at least 200 videos. Our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can, so please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let me explain now some of the symptoms of a bad PCV valve. We'll have a separate video that will cover that from start to finish, but some symptoms guys, if the valve is stuck closed, what will happen? Okay, when the engine runs guys, gas and vapors will make its way around the piston rings and they'll go in the crankcase and it will build pressure, and if that valve is stuck closed, it will not take that pressure and vapors from the engine to the intake. They'll just stay in the engine, you will build more pressure and you can develop leaks from valve cover gaskets, O-rings, crankshaft seals, so you can blow quite a few seals. Also those gases are super guys poisonous. They're very dangerous for the engine as well because it can eat your metal and you can develop a buildup on the cap, oil cap as well guys. That's another one. If it's stuck open, you can develop rough idle, misfiring, running lean pretty much because you have a vacuum leak. So let's explain now guys where it's located, what needs to be done to remove it and how to test it and know if yours is good or bad. So this is the 2.4 engine. If you have different engine, procedure may be very close as well. We'll need to remove our valve cover now. Just grab it and pull it. Okay, perfect. And once we do that now guys, okay, this is the engine cover, excuse me, valve cover is right here, and the valve cover guys on the rear right side right here, that valve, okay, that little valve, this is your PCV valve guys. Let me come on the back side of the engine and show you where it goes. That PCV valve, the hose comes from the valve cover right here and it comes to the intake manifold past the throttle body, and those, okay, that gas pressure buildup in the engine will go in the intake manifold and it will burn through the engine and get out of the exhaust, so that harmful stuff will not stay in the engine. So how we remove it? Okay, pretty simple guys. We just disconnect the hose. We get a 24mm socket. Okay, and we unscrew it guys. You can see how simple. This is now the valve itself. We'll have the link where you can purchase one in the description of the video below guys for your convenience. Check it out. Now how you know if it's good or bad? There is not 100% test to tell you if that valve is good or bad, but 90% of the time you'll be able to tell. Now you can, that valve has one spring inside and it has one little ball. If that ball is stuck guys, okay, the valve is bad. So if you jiggle it, okay, move it left and right fast, you will hear the ball moving. Listen now. Okay, definitely sounds like a good valve. Now another thing that you can test most of the time is if you blow on this side. I'll recommend with air compressor. Do not do it with your mouth, never ever, because that's oil and dangerous stuff guys for you. You will be able to see air coming out of the, okay, coming out of the side, or on the other side, from this side to this side, and you will know if it's good or bad. But just doing the shake test, you'll be able to tell most of the times. Because if you drive short distance, mostly city cycle guys, you have carbon buildup that will prevent that valve from functioning correctly. So that's how you guys do it. Hopefully guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to see if their PCV valve is good. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.